All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your AirPods or AirPods Pro. So as you can see here, these are connected to my iPhone, and you're going to see a circle button on the back of both the AirPods and the AirPods Pro. You want to go ahead and open the AirPods up. So go ahead and open the case, make sure both AirPods are in the case. And then you want to press and hold the button on the back until it starts blinking white, and hold the button. So you're going to hold this button for about 12 to 15 seconds. And what you're going to see is you're going to see the color change from a blinking white color to that orange or amber color. And then it's going to go back to white. Keep holding the button until it goes back to white, like so. As you can see, I now closed the AirPods. And now when I reopen the AirPods, it's going to ask me to reconnect them because they've been factory reset. So again, you push and hold that button on the back with the case open and both AirPods in. 15 seconds later, wait for it to change orange back to white, and that will factory reset your AirPods or AirPods Pro. If you have any questions, put those down below. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.